Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to decarb using the Nugsmasher IQ and our decarb capsule. I'm going to start with a gram of rosin, but you can do a lot more in this capsule. I've done 4 or 5 grams at a time, easily 10 grams. Decarbing on the IQ is super simple. There's dedicated modes for THC and CBD. There's also a setting where you can change from decarb over to heat cure. The difference is heat cure allows you to run in a lot longer increments. There's also an auto recovery mode that will automatically recover the machine in the event of a power loss. So you can feel confident leaving the machine on for several hours and that it'll be okay during the heat cure process. Okay, so now I've shown you all the heat cure settings. Let's go ahead and turn over to decarb mode again. And we're going to do a 25-minute decarb at 240. That's the standard for THC. CBD is a bit higher, 250 for 40 minutes. That's why we have the different presets. As you can see, the IQ makes it incredibly easy to make this process simple. Just place your rosin in the capsule and follow the predefined settings. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out now. And as you can see, you want to be careful with the capsule. It's very hot, so you might want to wait for it to cool down. Or in my case, I was pretty excited. I wanted to get it out of there, so I went ahead and used a cloth to make it safe for me to grab. And that's it. You have activated rosin, which is ready to use in all your recipes. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video, and check out the rest of the channel to learn more about how you can make rosin in your own home.